A former policeman at Baitbridge has reportedly been shot dead on allegations of failing to stop at a ZRP checkpoint at Zezani. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Although details are not yet clear, it is suspected the deceased was transporting some foreigners illegally in the country en route to South Africa. National Police spokesperson Senior Assistant Commissioner Ponyati said he was yet to get information from Baitbridge. But the Baitbridge social media was awash with images of the deceased ex-cop identified as Ipela, who lived at Lutumba after leaving the force. In today's news, an ex-cop was shot dead by police on allegations of transporting some foreigners illegally in the country en route to South Africa. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.